Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Thanks for watching our first videos and thanks for subscribing our channel. But if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go and subscribe our channel and do not forget to put the bell icon. So guys, we are going to do something different today. We are going to unbox our new drone DJI Mavic Air 2. So guys, আমি এটা কাল হাতে পাইছি. So I'm pretty much excited to show you guys what's inside the box, and this is a fly mode combo. So guys, let's see how it works. Yes guys, so here is my Mavic Air 2 fly mode combo. Let me open it. Let me see what's inside. Here is one bag. Seems like very strong, this bag. Let me open it. One power adapter. Let me see what's inside this box. Charger. Powerful battery for the aircraft. That's it inside this box. Here is adapter for the charger. Here is the powerful remote controller. Yes, it is. Here is the remote controller. Here is the aircraft. Here is the aircraft. Here is RC cable, USB type C guys. Power bank adapter. Guys, here is a RC cable, USB type C connector, this one for the remote. RC cable for a standard micro USB connector. This seems like extra joystick for the remote. There is another one. This is for remote and this one is for extra. Seems like lens filter. It has 3 filters for your DJI Mavic Air 2. So guys, let me see what's inside this box. Here's a propellers. So there is 2 different kind of propellers. The difference between this one and the other one, I got it guys. Here's it. Here's the other one. So guys, here is a quick start guard. So guys, let's see how to set up the drone. So we are going to set up the drone now. Yes, so guys, let me show you how to open the wings. And the second, যখন থার্ড এবং ফোর্থ উইংসটা খুলবেন, খুব কেয়ারফুল ভাবে খুলবেন কারণ এটা ভেঙে যাওয়ার সম্ভাবনা অনেক বেশি, very sensitive. Here it is guys, so let me open this bulge. Here it is. So I forgot to take out the stickers. Let me take out the stickers. And আপনারা এভাবেই খুলবেন অতি যত্নের সহকারে. And guys, this is the gimbal protector and you must be always be careful once you take it off and once you put it on. Always be careful. Okay, so let me put the propellers. Here's the propellers guys. So I will show you guys what is the difference between those propellers and let me show you what is the difference between these 4. Okay, so guys, here is the silver one. You guys can see on this hole, along the hole there you can see the silver color. There is one circle here and here is another one circle here. You check, these are 2 different and here is 2 black. There is no silver color. Look at the drone guys. Here is the silver one as you guys can see, and here is the black one. You guys can see the black one, and here is the silver one again, and here is the black one. So now I'm going to show you guys how to put the propellers on. So guys, আপনারা যখন পপুলাসটা লাগাবেন তখন অনেক কেয়ারফুল ভাবে যত্ন সহকারে এই পপুলাসটা লাগাবেন. So let me show you guys how to put the populars on. So as you guys can see, here is the silver color and here is the silver. So silver goes with only silver. Don't put on the black one. Okay guys, so all you have to do is just put the things on and just twist it. That's it. You guys can see. Now here is the black one guys. As you guys can see, here is the black. There is no silver and it goes on only black. So what you have to do guys, again you have to push it down and just twist it on a left side. Just you have to twist it on a left side. That's it. I already done putting the propellers. So now I'm going to show you guys how to set up the remote controller. And then here is the 2 controller sticks. Here it is. All you have to do, you guys just have to twist it on the right side. Yeah, here it goes. So guys, here is the phone holder. আপনারা এখানে ফোন, ট্যাবলেট বা যে ফোন ইউজ করেন ও ফোনটা হোল্ড করবেন। আর এখানে একটা কেবল আছে, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। এই কেবলটা হচ্ছে আরসি কেবল লাইটিং কানেক্টর, এটা শুধু আইফোনের জন্য। যেটা রিমোট কন্ট্রোলের কানেক্টর এটা আপনি সবসময় ডান পাশে লাগাবেন। তো এখানে আপনার যদি আইফোন থাকে আপনি আইফোনের যেটা আরসি কেবল ওটা ইউজ করতে পারেন, আপনার যদি অ্যান্ড্রয়েড স্ট্যান্ডার্ডটা থাকে আপনি এটা ইউজ করতে পারেন অ্যান্ড্রয়েডের জন্য, আর যদি আপনার ইউএসবি টাইপ সি ফোন থাকে তাহলে আপনি ইউএসবি টাইপ সি কেবল ইউজ করতে পারেন। সো গাইস, let me tell you guys how to start this drone. To start this drone you have to press twice. So first all you have to do, first click, you just click it, and secondly you have to long press. That's it. You can see your aircraft is already started blinking and your aircraft is ready to fly. And guys, I love that sound, the most beautiful sound I ever heard from the drone. So guys, now I'm going to show you guys how to set up the controller. So as you guys can see, here's my phone. এটা হচ্ছে আমার ফোন। আপনারা এই ফোন হোল্ডারের সাথে ফোনটাকে ঠিক ভালোভাবে এভাবে ধরবেন, তারপর উপর দিকে একটু প্রেস করবেন, তারপর এভাবে ফোনের সাথে কানেকশন করে নেবেন, জয়েন করে নেবেন। That's it guys. So guys, all you guys have to do is you guys have to go to the Play Store just to download this app called DJI. Because DJI is here, and after downloading the DJI, and you have to start your remote controller. As you have started your aircraft, and you have to press twice. One is a short press and another one is a long press at the same time, and you already heard the sound, and all you have to do is go to the DJI app. So guys, I'm going to connect with my aircraft. You already can see here is the connect to the aircraft is written. Just click there and click into your Mavic Air 2. That's it, it already has been connected. আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন এখানে একটা আইকন আছে যে তীরের মতো, আর এটাতে টিপ দিবেন আর এখানে লেখা আছে যে টেক অফ। হিয়ার ইজ সেট টেক অফ। You guys already saw how I unboxed my DJI Mavic Air 2. Now I'm going outside. Outside is very windy and very cloudy. I don't know how am I going to fly, but if it's possible, then I'm going to fly. And here's my all kits.
Sami bhai, you looks very excited.
Yeah, because it's the first time we are flying the drone. So
Which one is that one?
this one is Mavic Air 2.
Okay, there is our friends. This is our new Mavic Air 2.
Thanks for watching our video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed our video, and if you did enjoy, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, and I really highly appreciate it guys for watching my videos. Thank you. Peace guys, see you on the next video. Bye.